What if you could turn PubMed search results or any of your documents into a professional presentation in minutes? Start your slide generation by selecting New Slide Presentation. Attach references or select any of your other knowledge sources. You can select multiple documents or just one. Give MACg direction about what you wanted to focus on in your presentation. And MACg will create a title as well as a description that you can modify. Use the free trial to experience a new way of turning all your documents into amazing presentations.